Let me introduce you to our mini autonomous driving platform, a perfect solution to start your journey in autonomous driving technology. With this platform, you will get hands-on experience in running the Fusion's algorithm architecture for autonomous driving. And yes, you can program it yourself. To make it even better, we provide open source code, so you can dive right in the starting coding. What can you learn with it? First, you can explore how to record maps for navigation. Then, understand the functionality of LiDAR technology and how it senses the environment. And you will also learn about stereo camera vision systems, seeing how dual cameras work to capture and process visual data. This platform is a fantastic way to combine theory and practice, giving you a hands-on approach to programming and understanding key technologies in autonomous driving. Whether you are a student, lecturer, or researcher, this is the tool that you will take your skills to the next level.